So this is how we add VDC Vault into Veeam Backup for AWS. We'll go to Veeam Backup for AWS External Repository Edition. We'll choose Data Cloud Vault. And here we'll just add the repository name of our choice and we'll hit next. Now we have to authorize the usage of it. So we will authorize into our VDC Vault, choose the right subscription that we have. And then we have to manage and authorize the right subscription or vault that we have and assign it to the relevant Veeam Backup and replication that will coordinate with Veeam Backup for AWS for the right authentication and authorization to access that VDC Vault. So once I assigned it, I can go back to my Veeam Data Platform and I will see the vault there. Then I can hit next. It will do some configuration and then it will give me the ability to that I'm going to use. It's predefined. And of course, immutability is predefined as per VDC Vault is always immutable. Now I'll hit next and I'll be able to add encryption to that repository. Then a couple of more next and apply, and the configuration is gonna start building itself, and after a few seconds we will have that completed and available within our Veeam Backup for AWS after it's been added through Veeam Backup and replication. So now let's go and verify that it's actually there. I will log into my Veeam Backup for AWS console and I will go to repositories, and in repositories I'll be able to see that I have a new repository named Storage Vault, and it's available in Veeam Backup for AWS to be used as a repository for my Veeam Backup for AWS services that I would like to back up into S3.